Hey everybody, how's everybody doing out there? I'm a little ant. Too much sugar. That's what happens when you put somebody like me, a lot of sugar. Alright, I had already done a video like this, but they sent me another box. And they sent me 2 boxes. And I had to go check to make sure they didn't charge my card because I was going to get all upset with them. And they didn't. Periodically, they do this. I've noticed this. I've had several free boxes from them, and I even contacted them, and their customer service is like, if it got sent to you and they didn't charge you, don't worry about it. Then we have the Walmart Beauty Box. And the Walmart Beauty Box comes out seasonal, and I believe it's $5. So basically, there is no... You're paying $5 for the whole thing. That's shipping, the products in here, $5. You get it 4 times a year. Sometimes you get it a little late. Sometimes you don't get it at all. No, I'm kidding. Sometimes it becomes very early. Or you get a surprise box. But this is what the inside of the box looks like. And we have enter to win a $100 gift card. Well, that's neat. Somebody enter that. Let me know if you win. And we have some paper. It looks like this. And here comes the rain. And I left my front door open. This is probably fun. Alright, so you've probably already seen this. I don't think I'll do a timestamp. I was going to, but we'll just get through this really quickly. Alright, Pantene's Foam Conditioner, Sheer Volume Conditioner. You have this. This is not too bad. Not too bad at all. I like to use this up around my roots and then use a really good, like, silkening, detangling conditioner down through all of this. And when my hair dries, I've got volume, and then all of this is nice. So, yeah, I like it. Ow. I didn't like that. Oh my god, that wasn't funny. Alright, we have Hello Natural Friendly Sensitive Relief Fluoride Toothpaste Soothing Mint with coconut oil. And it's not like the black ones we got before. Sensitivity relief. I don't have a sensitive problem, but I will see if my son does. If he does, I'll pass it on to him. If not, it will go into a giveaway. Oh, I need to keep a hold of that because I'm not seeing anything for prices. I don't remember if Walmart does prices. We also have a 3-day whitening boost kit, and it's a Rembrandt. And I actually use, because I got 2 of these boxes before. I got the classic and the trendsetter one, and I'm not sure what this is, but I've already used up the ones I got in those boxes. They're not too bad. They do stick to your teeth. They're strips, white strips for your teeth. This is not bad either, but I've got like 6 or 7 of these little samples here. It is the Softsoap Earth Blends Moisturizing Body Wash. It's coconut and fig. That's not fig. We had fig trees when I lived in Mississippi. We have fig trees in the backyard. That's straight up brown sugar. You don't even smell coconut. Me having an allergy to coconut, there's no hives, no nothing. And if it has coconut in it, I break out in severe hives. Softsoap is a little hit or miss because I used to hate that stuff, but I see that their formula is changing a little bit to where it don't feel like it's... You still have stuff on your skin after you get out of the shower, so that's what we like. The Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. I got like 3 of these sitting in the closet in there on the shelf, and I might try this again. It's fair to medium skin tones, and I didn't do so well with it last time. I even stood for like a half an hour after I put it on. Stood in one place, didn't let my thighs or anything else touch. I was just mainly doing, get out of here, Fuzz, doing my legs just to see how it worked out. And I still ended up with a whole bunch of streaks. It was completely covering everything. Like, I made sure it was covering everything. It just, But we'll try it again. Hey, we have another acai berry. I know I said that wrong. Or it got close to it. Sleeping mask, brightening, renewal, restore overnight mask, antioxidant rich sleeping mask, rejuvenate and refuel skin energy to restore skin clarity and health. And it's by Soo AE. Now, I believe it was Walmart that had the Soo AE donkey milk sleeping mask. If you've never tried it, try it. It is amazing. But for prices of this, I think when I looked it up, like just for the donkey milk sleeping mask, it was pretty expensive for me because it just, I buy $1, $2 masks. So anything above that, I'll link the price down below. And then we have a coupon for the Rembrandt. And we got just a little ad for the Softsoap. And more information about the Hello. They've got a lot of stuff going on for that Hello. But it's not my type of thing. Because everything seems to have coconut in it. And I mean, I could try it on my skin to find out if I'm going to have a bad reaction. But we didn't hear that. But I don't want to go through all that just in case. Okay, it didn't have a reaction on my skin. But oops. Now there's a... my throat's swelling shut. And I'm a little scared about taking that chance. Alright, the men's Walmart box came like this. Women's, men's. A little weird. Theirs comes in a cute little carrying case here. And Walmart's got, like, we went and got some of these little cases like this. It was full of sample things, traveling cases, whatever, before we went to Brimstone. This way, you know, we just grabbed this before we head to the showers. And they're not bad, but pretty blue. Not as pretty as blue as my hubby's eyes, but, you know, blue. See, this is what I like about Walmart. Full-size razor. It's 3-blade razor for men. Cartridges fit Gillette Mach 3 handles. 1 razor, 2 cartridges. And it's got a triple blade. So, I mean, that's pretty nice. Then we have Active 3-in-1 Body Wash Shampoo and Conditioner. Selsun Blue Dandruff Shampoo Acne Treatment Body Wash. Which I heard that Selsun Blue actually works well for acne. Like if you get acne up on your head, around your ears, your neck, your back, your shoulders, chest, arms, you should start using Selsun Blue to wash your hair and body with. And apparently it helps with other skin issues like discolorations, like hypopigmentation, what I have. I haven't tried it yet though. And we have Ant Restoring Anti-Cavity Fluoride Mouthwash. It's in Mint Burst. It's always nice to have some mouthwash when we go on trips. Let's see. We have Gold Bond Ultimate Men's Essential 5-in-1 Face Lotion, Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Sunscreen, non-greasy, fast absorbing, fragrance free. He probably wouldn't use it on his face. He'd probably use it on his arms or something. But he'd use it. That's the thing. He'd use it. And the last thing that's in here, making sure inside the bag looks like this. I mean, it was pretty roomy. All this stuff was in there. But you have a Body Benefits by Body Image for him. And it's extra large back scrubber. It's got dual texture. It's even got a soap pouch. I imagine that's where your soap goes. I don't want to take it all out of there. I don't want to. It's his gift, not mine. Alright, that is all we have for the Walmart boxes. What'd you guys think? Sometimes they give some really good boxes. Like really nice ones. I don't mind paying the $5 for it, so yeah. I do have some subscriber giveaways going on for the rest of this month. Information will be down below. Prices for all this stuff, like individual prices, so you don't have to go right away to look at the Walmart site. You can actually take a look and see what the prices are down below in the descriptions, because I try to help you guys out, save you a little bit of time. I mean, it's simple. Click the little check mark looking arrow thing and it'll be right there. Like after the first sentence, it'll be all there. Alright, I will see you all later. Don't forget to like, give me a comment, and I'll see you. Bye.